You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. If you look at this area yesterday, see I talked about markets going down and market is going down perfectly as predicted. Look at this area on the 4-hour chart. I said market is going to go down and it's going down right now. And also on ETH, if you look at it, market is already into this level of support. So what are we expecting right now? Are we expecting a bounce to the upside on ETH and also on BTC? What of this very 4-hour chart on BTC? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please hit subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USDT 1-day chart, if you look at this very area, you see this very candle yesterday, I was saying that market is going to go down. Like that has been my projection from this very area, that market is going to go down, and that is what we're expecting right now. I am still expecting the market to head back down. Okay, I'm still expecting the market to still continue into this level of support. That has been my expectation, and that is what I am still expecting. Nothing change until market come into this area. Then I will begin to look into other parameters to confirm whether this breakout is very possible immediately, or we're going to see a little bit of bounce before the breakout. So expect the market to come into this level first before we look at this very breakout in the next few days from now. And on the 4-hour chart here, I talk about the market coming back down. Okay, I said market is going to come back down from this very area. You see, market did exactly to the downside, and market is at this very level of support. We have a very little support at this very area, and that is the support holding the market right now. Now, what will happen in this area is this: where you may see the market move a little bit to the upside. Don't take a buy position, because market is going to come back down on the longer term. So even though you see a little bit of move to the upside, expect the market to still come back down into this level of support at this very area. Very, very important. The market will come back into this level of support, and that is what I am paying attention to right now on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart. You see the same thing. I talk about this spike, this rejection, and I say anything that reject the market from this very level in between a ranging market, and that means that market have high capacity of coming back to the downside, and exact same thing, market come back down as predicted. And right now market is already into this level of support. So my expectation right now, because if you look at ETH on the 4-hour chart and 1-day chart, you discover that the market have high capacity right now of breaking this level of support, and that is what I am paying attention to right now. That means even though market coming to this level of support, don't take a buy position yet for market to just fly to the upside. No, begin to look for a breakout. So as markets approach this level of support right now on ETH, expect a breakout from this level of support. Once the breakout happen, then it's going to be a nice time to take a short position on the long term, because market is going to dip right down below, okay, to this level of 1,200 on ETH USDT 4-hour chart. So pay attention to the market breaking out at this very level of support, this very area right here, okay, and that is what you should be expecting. That means if you see the market go a little bit slightly to the upside, because we should expect a rejection, because this is a very strong support level, a rejection to this very area, market is going to possibly come back down and break this level of support. So this is what you should be paying attention to right now. A breakout is very, very important. As market is approaching or already at this level of support, that is what I am paying attention to right now on ETH and BTC on the immediate short term, and also BTC on the longer term. A breakout here, I am paying attention to this very level. What do you think about the market right now on this very chart? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please hit subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. If you've not been properly trained on how to trade crypto for beginners, I am organizing a free cryptocurrency beginners training this month. And so the link is in the description. Join the WhatsApp group. It is a free training right now and be a partaker of that training. Then if you've not registered on Binance OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit, check the description of this video. You see a link in the registration right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.